Hello people, today's recipe is IFTAR GHANJI, so let's start making it. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom and 7 green chilies. Saute it well and add 1 medium-sized sliced onions, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half spoon of fenugreek seeds, one cup of medium-sized chopped tomatoes, half spoon of turmeric powder, two garlic cloves, half tablespoon of garam masala. Now add half cup of water with quarter spoon of salt, 3 to 4 curry leaves, with 3 cups of water, add some mint leaves. When there is a boiling stage, add 1 cup of coarse grinded normal rice. You can even go for basmati rice. Then add half a cup of moong dal. Mix well. Add 2 more cups of water. With half a cup of chopped carrots, add quarter cup of coconut milk. Mix well and close the lid for 4 whistles. So that's it guys, your ganji is all ready to serve hot. Share your views in comment section and hit like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button for instant notification.